The 21-period simple moving average SMA is a widely used technical indicator in trading due to its ability to provide insights into short to medium-term trends. Here's why it's important. ###1. Tarankan Trend Identification. Tarankan. The 21 SMA helps traders identify the direction of the trend. If the price is consistently above the 21 SMA, it indicates an Tarankan uptrend. Tarankan. Conversely, if the price is below the 21 SMA, it suggests a Tarankan downtrend. Tarankan. It acts as a dynamic support or resistance level, depending on the trend. ###2. Tarankan dynamic support and resistance. Tarankan. In an uptrend, the 21 SMA often acts as Tarankan support. Tarankan, where buyers may step in to push the price higher. In a downtrend, it can act as Tarankan resistance. Tarankan, where sellers may dominate and push the price lower. ###3. Tarankan entry and exit signals. Tarankan. Traders use crossovers with the 21 SMA to generate signals. For example, a Tarankan bullish signal occurs when the price crosses above the 21 SMA. A Tarankan bearish signal occurs when the price crosses below the 21 SMA. It can also be used in conjunction with other moving averages, e.g., 50 SMA or 200 SMA to confirm trends or reversals. ###4. Tarankan momentum confirmation. Tarankan. The slope of the 21 SMA can indicate the strength of the trend. A steeply rising SMA suggests strong bullish momentum, while a steeply declining SMA indicates strong bearish momentum. ###5. Tarankan popular in short-term trading. Tarankan. The 21 SMA is particularly popular among day traders and swing traders because it reacts quickly to price changes, making it suitable for capturing short-term trends. ###6. Tarankan combination with other indicators. Tarankan. Traders often combine the 21 SMA with other indicators like the Relative Strength Index (RSI), Moving Average Convergence Divergence (MACD), or Bollinger Bands to confirm signals and improve accuracy. Example use cases. Tarankan trend following. Tarankan. Use the 21 SMA to stay in trades as long as the price remains above per uptrends or below per downtrends the SMA. Tarankan pullback trading. Tarankan. Look for pullbacks to the 21 SMA as potential entry points in the direction of the trend. Tarankan reversal signals. Tarankan. Watch for price breaking above or below the 21 SMA as a potential trend reversal signal. ###limitations. The 21 SMA is a lagging indicator, meaning it reacts to past price movements. It may not always predict future price action accurately. In choppy or sideways markets, the 21 SMA can produce false signals. In summary, the 21 SMA is a versatile tool for traders, offering insights into trends, momentum, and potential entry-exit points. However, it should be used in conjunction with other analysis techniques for better results.